Hi guys, got a PlayStation 2 here. It had a new laser fitted, which is a 400C. It's just missing the little cover because I've taken it off. But the laser's fitted, close it in, and this has taken a long time. I kind of just hover around, not really doing nothing. It hasn't loaded, it's gone into the... And after a while, it'll eventually kind of kick on and it loads. And once it loads, it plays fine. I looked around and I couldn't really see a whole lot about it. I've seen people saying about moving the little white disc in the back or to up and the laser up and down, the little black screw in the laser, you know, that one to change it to height. And the laser's fine. I've tested the laser in a different console and it was working fine. And this model, there it is, it's starting to load up there now. This console is a 3003. So I remember then that this is the laser in it is 400C. I think the original laser was a 400B. So I put in the original laser, a different, not the original laser was burnt out, but a new 400B, one of these ones. And just show you the difference. And just if you're after changing the laser and you're getting this sort of problem, this could be it. Here we are now with the 400B put back in. In theory the 400C should be a direct replacement for the 400B, and it's actually a better laser, so like I'd actually use the 400B more, or the 400C more if I could. But anyway, here it is, the 400B back in. I'll turn it off to give it like a from off, like I did with the last one. There, straight into it, as opposed to the last time which took nearly a minute. Just if you're getting those symptoms of the game sputtering, trying to load, not loading, and then eventually loading and playing fine, it could be that the laser isn't compatible with the console. Now the console has it set what lasers in it, and if you have free Mac boot, you can use a console or a program like Lens Changer to update the console so it knows that there's a new laser of a different spec gone into it. But if that's not something you do with free Mac boot with that, you can just check. So if you're getting that issues after changing the laser, that could be your issue. Okay guys, thanks for watching.